cells are categorized as being either prokaryotic or eukaryotic. The first cells on Earth were single-celled life forms and may have been prokaryotes. Prokaryotes are divided into two domains, archaea and bacteria. Bacteria live on every continent and in every extreme environment, from the hottest, driest desert to the bitter cold wastelands of Antarctica. Bacteria are also an extremely diverse group of organisms. For example, scientists estimate that a 30-gram sample of humus-rich forest soil contains 1 million species of bacteria. Let's take a closer look at the structure of a prokaryotic cell. In addition to the basic cellular components such as the plasma membrane, the cytoplasm, and DNA, prokaryotic cells have other structures that help them survive and reproduce. Prokaryotes, being small and one-celled, can be quickly impacted by changes in their environment. Protective structures help prokaryotes survive in a changing environment. For example, directly outside the cell membrane is the cell wall, a rigid carbohydrate structure that provides overall support and protection for the cell. Another protective structure, which is only found in some prokaryotes, is the capsule, a polysaccharide layer tightly adhered to the outside of the cell wall. It prevents cell dehydration and helps the cell stick to surfaces. The capsule of pathogenic bacteria serves an additional function by protecting the bacteria from the host's immune system. In addition to the protective structures that I just mentioned, prokaryotes possess structures that enable them to move. The most common of these is the flagellum, a thread-like tail that propels prokaryotes through liquid, allowing aquatic prokaryotes to move around their environment, and thus enhancing the possibility of finding food. Another similar structure is a pilus, a short, hair-like projection found on the surface of many bacteria that helps cells stick together. There are different types of pili. Some pili provide adhesion between bacteria and between bacteria and surfaces, and they can also help the prokaryote move. Sex pili are a specialist type of pili that help bacteria exchange genetic information during conjugation. Conjugation is a reproductive process in which a chromosome is transferred from one organism to another. During conjugation, the DNA is transferred by a specialized sex pilus that is longer than regular pili. Many prokaryotes have additional small circular DNA molecules called plasmids. These molecules replicate independently and can be exchanged between individual prokaryotes. Many plasmids carry genes that confer antibiotic resistance to the bacterium.